me through the square. I don't even see you out there.
Hey there, it's Sylrette. You know when you wake up and you have no idea what to do with your transitioning hair? Well, I'm going to show you a really easy hairstyle that you can do in 10 minutes or less. Let's go. On my terribly failed braid out, I start by spraying my hair with water to make my hair moist, easy to work with, and easy to absorb products. Next, I moisturize with Dark & Lovely Anti-Breakage Oil Moisturizer. I started using it again on my transitioning hair because it works well on both textures, and I think oil moisturizers just keep my hair moisturized longer. With a rat tail comb, I'm making a part down the center of my head. It'll probably be skew at first and it'll take a few tries to get it as straight as possible. Just use 2 mirrors to see the back of your head or ask someone for help if possible. I'm using my detangling brush to comb through my hair. It gets through my hair fairly easily even when my hair is slightly damp. I'm applying a generous amount of Isoplus Styling Gel and gathering my hair into a loose bun. I like to add a little twist on the side, so I'm parting a triangle above my ear and then making a 2-strand twist. And now I can gather the rest of my hair and make that bun properly. I make 2 loops, and on the 3rd loop I don't pull the ends through completely, and that makes a bun. I tuck the ends underneath the hairband and then just fluff out the bun, spread out the sides a bit, make it a little messy. And now repeat on the other side. The cool thing about this hairstyle and bun hairstyles in general is that you can maintain the style for as long as you want. At night, I loosen the buns a little bit and wear a satin bonnet. Then when I wake up, all I have to do is retie the buns because the middle part is already there. And I can keep this hairstyle until my next wash day. I don't have to worry about what style to do or how to blend the 2 textures for a whole week. If you found this video helpful, then I'm sure you'll enjoy this next one.